Common idioms and meaning in English with example. Idioms. Butter someone up. Meaning. Be really nice to someone. Example. You had better butter me up if you want a raise in salary. Idioms. By the seat of your pants. Meaning. Achieve instinctively or quickly. Example. That was impressive, you did your graduation speech by the seat of your pants without any preparation. Idioms. By the skin of my teeth. Meaning. Barely or narrowly. Example. I finished the test by the skin of my teeth just before the bell rang.